Nigerians have been urged to demonstrate compassion by standing in solidarity with the weak and vulnerable, while also fostering unity, peace, and shared responsibility. Speaking at a press briefing in Abuja, the convener of the Wayne and Ellen Foundation emphasized that showing kindness to humanity will promote kindness, healing, and dignity for all. She also emphasized the need to be intentional about humanitarian service and medical mission of mercy outreach to the vulnerable, as her mother did while alive.
She opened her doors for everyone. She never discriminated on anyone. She raised not hundreds, but thousands of children. She single-handedly educated so many through college, and even sent many abroad for education. She lived her life well. I miss her so much. In conclusion, may the soul of my beloved mother, the woman that made me who I am today, the woman that told me that the world that I'm living is just not only for me, but it's for others. The woman that taught me what it meant or still means to love others.
It's a challenge, it's an assignment to all of us, especially those who are having the means. Those who have the little, they should share it. The art she's teaching us, or the family is teaching us, when you have the little, share it with your neighbor. Give it to your brother. Give it to your sister. You don't accumulate. But even if you accumulate, hereafter, very soon we will leave.
She wants to make sure that the tributes and the legacy of her mother will make a lasting and impactful memory on our society. I'm sure everybody that will find time to come out and be a part of this great outreach and medical mission will forever live to give the tale.